What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a special episode. It is July 1st with my July 1st and today we are headed to San Diego for a very special episode. So don't mind the messy room, but got my bag all packed here. Got my helmet in case I go drifting. My PlayStation 4 in case I decide to continue to be a gamer. My Twizzlers, because those are the most important. And that's about it. So time to pretty much get on the road. Just finished packing. It's 12. So plan on leaving about 12:30. Head there. Flight leaves at 3. And I'll get there at 7:30 p.m. San Diego time. Alright, we made it to BWI. So getting my one last smoke break in and last chill before I gotta wear this for like 7-8 hours or whatever. Pretty quick getting through security, about 30 minutes. So heading on to the gate. Just touched down in San Diego. Getting in.
Oh, you got the GoPro? What's that? What's up, Gerald?
Not much, just chilling. Figured I'd come to California, see how things are.
Oh, it's on lockdown.
Jay, what we about to eat?
In and out.
Sounds like we on the West Coast for real with the squad moves.
Shit, there ain't gonna be much else moves. You know, with this quarantine. Fuck, I don't even know.
At the In-N-Out. About to get some of these burgers, these over-glorified burgers. They just regular ass burgers like going to Checkers or something.
Better than Whataburger.
Never had it.
Better than Jacksonville.
Oh, that feels nice.
Fucking roller
What up?
Oh, it's a flight?
It sucked. Oh, he just moving until he gets in. His brother Banjo right here. Last time I was in San Diego, I drifted the Miata he had back then, and then it broke. And he's went through like 4 or 5 cars and got to that. Yeah. We made it back to Jay's garage. Hey, look, there's Banjo. Lighting's much better in here. We can actually see something.
Bro, Gerald, you like that Miata out there?
Yeah, it's fucking nice. It's a lot better than the one I blew up.
That's fun.
You gotta do that preventative maintenance before you start ripping on them. Like I had that Lucas oil thickener shit. some fresh oil.
Oh, we don't do none of that stuff out here. We just
What's that?
Yeah,
Nah, I'm talking about when you have to go ripping on them.
Oh, we do no maintenance here.
You gonna rip on that T outside?
Yep.
Oh, you want an S2K?
Might as well.
You want Brandon's car too?
Might as well. Put it on my laptop.
You gonna rip on that LS that's outside?
No, I'm actually thinking about hitting that event at Apple Valley on Saturday. Try to hit that in the morning and then come hang out and jet ski in the evening. So this is the sweatshop.
Yeah, so new up and coming brand right there called Heartless. Making merch, makers so far. So be on the lookout for that brand to come out. Just saying.
I got a bunch of friends that ordered Overdue and what's the other one?
Oh,
It's okay. And I'm like, hey, I know who makes that stuff.
Right here, right out of this.
Right out of the sweatshop.
Hey, show your friends.
Yeah.
Look, every time he orders. I got SOKs on deck.
Uh-huh.
Stacks and stacks and stacks of banners on top of Overdue everything. All of them here.
Oh yeah.
I got the Overdue drawer.
Who sure is that for? Oh, good boy. It's pretty in the prison.
All this stuff out the way. Bam.
He's 1X. Well, that's because he likes
Overdue stickers, Leg Forevers, all the crazy colors, all the box slaps.
You have a shirt, right? Freddie? You have a shirt.
Overdue, and It's Okay collab hasn't even been released yet. These aren't even for sale.
Dang.
They
That's tight.
all come out of here. It's like
That's that old school.
Marvel vs. Capcom. So they started doing vlogs to where both the owners do an hour on Instagram live TV, Q&A. They do giveaways during that time. So they came up with this logo and we're throwing them into giveaway packages. So they're not actually for sale, but you can have one.
Tight.
You gonna rip on that IS300 outside?
You don't want me to do that. That joint looking way nicer than it was last year. Now it's all one color
Somewhat.
with some Hot Boy wheels. All right, day 2 out here in San Diego. About to work on the Z, which is the drift missile for us out here for now. Supposed to be getting sold next month. So these are both of Jay's cars, his everyday cars, and the VIP style Toyota Celsior. That joint's super nice, super comfortable. The S used to be supercharged. I drove down when he lived in Virginia Beach, like 4 hours to do a clutch on that car for him. It ended up being a long job because in that car you have to drop the subframe a little bit and everything to get the everything out. Subframe, steering rack, all that stuff. Oh yeah, and we had to take the supercharger off, at least somewhat, in order to be able to tilt the engine down. But yeah, now it's not supercharged, it's wrapped off, purdy, carbon fiber hood. It's on bags now. Used to be on coilovers. Now it's more of a hot boy car. And then he used to have a Tundra. He used to trade the Tundra and got the GTR and the Evo. Also used to have an Evo.
Yeah.
Ooh, quick little jump, and this thing is alive. Hey, make sure you put that back on the charger.
Huh?
Make sure you put that back on the charger.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Scared me.
So this is my daily while I'm out here. Sounds like a Z.